Cybersecurity refers to the practice of protecting computers, servers, mobile devices, electronic systems, networks, and data from digital attacks, damage, and unauthorized access. It involves the use of technologies, processes, and procedures to secure electronic devices, systems, and networks against a wide range of threats, including malware, phishing, hacking, identity theft, data breaches, and other cybercrime activities. Cybersecurity aims to maintain the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of electronic information and systems. This includes protecting data from unauthorized access or modification, ensuring that systems operate without interruption, and ensuring that information is only accessed by authorized individuals or entities. Cybersecurity is an increasingly important issue in today's world, as businesses and individuals rely more on electronic devices, systems, and networks to conduct their daily activities. Effective cybersecurity practices are essential to protect against the growing threat of cybercrime and to ensure that sensitive information remains secure. You can enroll to our courses to learn more about cybersecurity.